3 wishes that will help you manifest anything you desire. Hey there everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And I'm holding Aladdin's lamp today. And you know, the legend has it that you simply rub the lamp and a beautiful genie would appear. And this blue genie, referred to in the Middle East as the blue jinn, would grant you 3 wishes. So I went through history and I studied some of the different wishes that people made. I wanted to understand how sometimes what we wish for isn't what we truly, really, deeply want. And I wanted to be able to give you 3 wishes that you could use right now that would change your life forever, that help you manifest just about anything you desire. Look, your life is special. Your life has meaning. You can be a big, beautiful eagle soaring high in the sky, or you can be digging in the dirt. The choice is yours. And the choice comes down to the 3 wishes that you make. So are you ready? Wish number 1. Always know exactly what you desire and dream of. So many people today, they have a vague idea of what they want. I want to have money. I want to have love. But they don't have a clear, crisp idea of where they want to live, what the weather is like. Do they have a pool in their backyard? Or do they have a motocross in their backyard? Or do they have a V-shaped roof, big windows, small windows, trees around the house? In other words, you need to know exactly what you desire, where you want to live, how you want to live, the kind of food you want to eat. Oh, I love eating clean, natural food. What is it that you desire? You need to have it written out. So your first wish is that you will always know exactly what you desire, because you cannot manifest from the universe, or in this case, from the blue jinn, from the genie, unless you deeply understand what it is that you desire and dream of in your life. Number 2, now that you have a clear roadmap of where you want to go, the kind of life you want to lead, now you need wish number 2. Stamina, health, vitality, and passion to manifest your dreams. You need a strong body, a strong will, a strong determination. You need stamina. You need health. Because without it, you know, if you get up in the morning and you want to roll over and go right back to bed, you're in trouble. Because it's just impossible to manifest what you really desire when you don't have the energy, the vibration to bring it about. And that comes from eating clean, whole foods, you know, natural foods. And that comes from exercise and sunshine. But it also comes from a mental attitude, a positive mental attitude of being something more than what you are today, tomorrow. So let's rub our lamp again, and our third wish. Our third wish is for wisdom. The wisdom of source energy pouring through your mind and through your body. Let's take a deep breath on that one. You see, when you have the wisdom of source energy, then you can kind of use your intuition to see around corners. You have a greater in-depth understanding of what your life is really about, of where you're going, of what you're becoming, of what you're manifesting. You can make wise decisions. And that's a wonderful wish to have fulfilled. You know, the beautiful thing about all this, high flyers, is these aren't wishes. These are intentions. They're reality. You can bring about a new life by adopting these 3 intentions. And if you'll do that, oh, your life is just going to be wonderful. It's going to be magnificent. You're going to enjoy. You know, you're going to be on staycation. They call it staycation. I don't need to go for a vacation because I'm on staycation. Every day is a staycation. And every day is a great day when you spend it in a world that you absolutely love. Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.